This is my life savings. All I got is 3 quarters. I don't know what to do with them. Huh? This is a cool vending machine.
How about a vending machine? You must pay 3 coins to get cool prizes.
3 coins for 1 price?
Yes. Or you could pick 3 or 4.
How many money will I have to pay?
You have to pay only 3.
Yeah, that's not bad. Well, put in 1. Wait, I missed it. Hey, I didn't check it.
Got it. And
Okay, what next one? Hey, okay, now what's my price?
okay, you could pick 1.
Really? I got a puppet. What's why? Why?
I scammed you.
Well, you can't take the puppet now, because I already have
you
it.
keep it.
Wait, where are my other prices?
You scammed this thing here for 1,000 weeks.
No, give me back my money! You give me back my money!
No.
Is it back in there?
No.
No! At least I got my puppet.